They're killing Mr. Nosh. Brendan, final day.
Yeah, see what they're doing to.
I know, they're like destroying him. Not good.
He looks like he's in the full Mount rear naked choke. Go to sleep!
Brendan, you got your natter?
Got my natter.
Natter.
Natter. That's the best thing ever.
Come on, give us a bite.
Oh, gonna miss this view. I love this view.
You're the one to turn me down. The only one to build me up when I'm forgetting what we're about. You have been reminding me what we could be.
Closed by magic. I wonder how it closed.
We will never know because I forgot to hit record.
Soldier on, just keep on fighting. Cause without you I'm so incomplete. When the sky is falling down, ain't got no doubt that you and I will prevail. Just go ahead and lean on me, cause baby we are Rocksteady. When things don't go as planned, just take my hand, I'll show that I'm not afraid. Just go ahead and lean on me, cause baby we are Rocksteady.
Luke, what's in the bag?
Spaghetti and one chicken nugget.
Cause baby we are Rocksteady. When things don't go as planned, just take my hand, I'll show that I'm not afraid. Just go ahead and lean on me, cause baby we are Rocksteady. You're the one, stick around. The only one to hear me out when I am lost and losing my cause. You handle decisively and guiding me, yeah. Feeling the spark, the light in the dark, and baby you rising me back on my feet. Soldier on, just keep on fighting. With you I will never face the heat. Oh no 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 no.
You gotta miss Madeira.
Oh God, yeah, I am very much. But we watched some exquisite finals in sport.
Yeah.
Federer losing and England winning.
Finally got it to come home.
So balanced out. My feelings are balanced out.
When things don't